Just give it to them.
Are you hurt?
No, not really. In the interest of justice, we have to cooperate. Okay. Yes.
Sir, you insist that it's not you, sir. Can I answer? Thank you, sir. Sir, you think it's PNP, sir?
I don't know.
PNP is talaga.
I don't know really. I don't know.
Do you think, sir, is behind on this? Kayo pong
I said it's more of effort to embarrass the armed forces, perhaps the military and myself.
Sir, but how would you explain na yung sinasabi nila kung saan ka na-deploy ang daming extrajudicial killings, sir? Sir, how would you explain that, sir?
Ano yan?
Yung mga accusations po na kung saan kayo na-deploy ang daming extrajudicial killings.
Ay, matagal ko nang nasabi yan. Marami kasi, mas marami silang pinapatay. Before my assignment sa areas na yon, mas maraming namamatay doon. Eh, yung sa ako na, mayroon man, kukunti, kaya lang malakas lang busis nila. Kaya akala mo marami. So that's the problem.
Sir, palagay po nyo may natulong po kayo sa bansa sa termino nyo?
Of course, palagay ko naman. Yeah.
Ano po yung contribution po nyo?
Of course, tingnan mo yung Bulacan nga, hindi naman ganun dati. Ambush dyan, patayan dyan, liquidation ng mga barangay captain, saka mga napakarami, di ba? So, hindi na ngayon.
Ano po ang gusto nyo maging
Mindoro, ganun
katapusan?
din. Sama. Well, hopefully yung bansa natin maging matahimik kung wala ng insurgency, kung wala ng CPP-NPA, okay? Thank you. Thank you, sir.